Hello and welcome back to Core Finance. I'm Matt Brown. I'm joined by Nicole Elliott for the third and final video for today, and we're still looking at precious metals. The final precious metal of the day, Palladium. Slightly different chart to gold and platinum that we've seen earlier today. Onwards and upwards above the cloud. Where do we go from here?
Absolutely. I thought we'd end on an upbeat rather than Mrs. Gloom and Doom here. But yes, don't lump all of this stuff together. Gold, silver and platinum do not look bullish, neither short-term nor long-term. Okay? Fact. But don't lump them all together. This is one of the platinum group metals,
yes.
Of which, as well as palladium, we've got rhodium and a few others to go with it, I forget. But I think you'd agree with me, Matt, this is a pretty stonking 45-degree bull run that has been on the go since the beginning of 2016. The cloud is helping you, the moving averages are supporting every little pullback, yeah? The 9-week and the 26-week moving averages are supporting you. That other line, that little brownie line over there, that's the lagging line. It's the closing price plotted 26 weeks ago. And you can see how that line itself is supported by the clouds along the way a couple of times. Now we're quite a way away from the candles. That doesn't matter. In this system, it doesn't matter how far away you are from the cloud or from the candles. That really doesn't matter. Now, what's also important here is that this month we've hit our highest since the record high, which was in 2001.
Incredible.
I mean, this is really doing something. And what happened in 2001, and I've got a good memory for some things, was that a large US car manufacturer tried to corner this market. Because it is used in exhaust emission type controls, well, the cornering of the supplies failed catastrophically, may I add.
As it always does.
It's really not a good
idea. Car manufacturers should stick to car manufacturing, not trading. We saw that with Porsche and VW a few years back as well. So
absolutely, yeah. Well, here we are at just under $1,000 an ounce. So you can see this is not cheap. It's certainly not cheap anymore. And the record high was 1,095.
We're not far off. Would you be a buyer up here still?
Well, I definitely would be buying little dips. Yes, I've done this one before here on the show, and I think it's the main thing is split them out. Don't lump everything together. Don't be lazy in your analysis. Do your homework. Because this one has been one of my favourites, and definitely if the other two I've mentioned are, you know, a bit on the bearish side of things, it might drag this one down a little bit, maybe down to about the sort of $880, which would put it on a par with Platt then, wouldn't it? And there I would be looking to buy some more. Because I do think this is a nifty little trade. I quite like these niche ones as well. You know, not in the middle of the rugby scrum where all the big boys are trying to get hold of the ball.
Hanging on the wing, trying to get the glory. You
know, as a girly trader, you're kind of nice to be on the sidelines and, you know, just pick up little pennies along the way and say, thanks very much, boys.
Good. And, I mean, potentially as well, if you had the other two in your portfolio, Palladium, it could act as a bit of a hedge against dollar moves as well. So
correct.
You've got to bear that in mind.
It's quite a nice little combination here, I think I've got for your viewers.
Fantastic. So three precious metals to look at in our videos today, but in the meantime, Nicole Elliott, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thanks, Matt.